Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC33C. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC33C is making strange noises, it's likely due to a blockage or a worn-out part that's affecting the motor's performance. If left unaddressed, this could lead to further damage, possibly resulting in a complete breakdown of your vacuum cleaner. It's crucial to tackle this issue promptly to ensure your device continues to operate efficiently. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement filter. First, ensure your Dyson DC33C is unplugged for safety. Begin by locating the screws at the base of the cleaner head. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cleaner head away from the main body. You should now be able to see the motor and the components inside. The primary issue is often a blockage in the air path or debris caught in the brush bar. Inspect these areas closely. If you spot any obstructions, use your tweezers to carefully remove them. If the brush bar appears worn, it may be best to replace it. To do this, locate the retaining screws, unscrew them, and gently pull the brush bar out. When replacing the brush bar, ensure it's aligned correctly and insert it back into place. Then, secure it with the screws, being cautious not to over-tighten. As you reconnect any cables you may have disconnected, make sure they are firmly in place, avoiding any strain on adjacent components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've reassembled the cleaner head, ensure all screws are tightly secured. Finally, plug in your Dyson DC33C and turn it on. Listen carefully to ensure the strange noises have ceased. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to regularly check and clean the filters, as well as ensure that no debris is blocking the air pathways. Regular maintenance can save you from future headaches and keep your vacuum cleaner in top condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.